Hey guys, Shane here from St. Therese Choir of Banana Sacrament Parish, and welcome to our own version of World Tuesday Minute. St. Therese Choir has been joining World Youth Day since 2016, at ang unang World Youth Day na inatenda namin ay sa Krakow, Poland.
So we got to experience the Polish culture. We were welcomed and loved by our Polish family. And of course, na-enjoy namin yung kagandahan ng Krakow, Poland talaga. We also experienced that when we visited Panama last January 2019.
And now, for World Youth Day 2023, we will be visiting Lisbon, Portugal, at gusto namin kayong isama. So, we will show you everything from our preparations and sa mismong event. We will give you travel vlogs, we will give you how-to's videos, and what's in our bag videos, and stuff like that, para ma-experience at makita ninyo paano ba makasama sa World Youth Day. Excited na ako makasama kayo? Thank you so much. Again, this is Shane from St. Therese Choir of Banana Sacrament Parish, and this is our own version of World Youth Day Unite. Bye!